guys! Welcome to my vlog! Samahan niyo ko at mag-enjoy kasama ang aking family ko dito sa Villa Colmenar.
The Pope takes a poop and the President too, and the fancy grand banker in his three-piece suit, the big fat general and all of his troops. The truth of the matter is
Ito ay isang private resort dito sa Indang, Cavite.
the famous brain surgeon has to leave his lump.
Napakalaki at napakaganda ng lugar na ito. Nature travel talaga.
Even if they don't admit it, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number more than two. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Some days it's easy, other days it's hard. But if your system's working, thank your lucky stars. Nobody talks about it, not a word is said. If you're not pooping, then it means you're probably dead.
Nature spring po ang water kaya malamig at nakaka-relax.
The destitute and homeless have to do it, it's true.
Nag-enjoy talaga ako kasama si Mami at Daddy.
Sooner or later, everybody poops. Everybody poops. Everybody poops. Sure things number.
Uwian na! See you again guys!
Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody poops. Death and taxes and everybody